A little girl climbs high into the sky. Thousands of people watch her in total silence. She reaches the top, raises her hand, and the world holds its breath. Welcome to Easy Real English Stories. Today we improve our English through a real and powerful story from Spain. Let's begin. The sun is high in the sky over a small town in Catalonia. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. The air smells like fresh coffee and old stone. The town square is very full. There are thousands of people standing together. They are waiting for something special. They are waiting for the Castells. In Catalonia, a castell is a human tower. It is not made of wood. It is not made of metal. It is made of people. It is a story of many bodies becoming one tall tower. It is a story of brave hearts and strong arms. Look at the people in the square. They belong to a calla. A calla is a team. Every team wears a different color. One team wears red shirts. Another team wears green shirts. Another team wears blue. They all wear white pants. They all wear a long black belt. This belt is called a faixa. It is very long and very strong. The team members help each other put on the belts. They turn around and around while a friend holds the end of the cloth. The belt must be very tight. It protects the back. It also helps other people climb. It is like a step on a ladder. Now, the music starts. You hear the gralla. It is a traditional flute. The sound is loud and sharp. It feels like a heartbeat. When the music starts, the square becomes quiet. The towers are beginning. First, we see the piña. This is the base of this tower. It is a giant circle of people. Hundreds of men and women move to the center. They stand very close. They put their arms around each other's shoulders. They push their bodies together. They look like a big, colorful forest. The people in the base are the strongest. They do not look up. They look at the ground or at the back of the person in front of them. They feel the weight. They feel the heat of the sun. They feel the sweat on their skin. They must stay very still. If the base moves, the tower falls. A tall man in a red shirt stands in the middle of the base. He is the leader. He shouts instructions. Stay strong, push, do not move. He watches every person. He knows that the lives of his friends are in his hands. Now the second level begins. 4 strong men climb onto the shoulders of the people in the base. They move carefully. They find their balance. Then, 4 more people climb on top of them. Now the tower is 2 levels high. Then 3 levels. Then 4. The tower starts to shake a little bit. This is normal. It is a living thing. The people in the tower must move with the shake. They must be like a tree in the wind. They do not fight the movement. They balance it. High above the ground, the terchos are standing. These are the people on the 3rd level. They are very brave. They feel the tower moving more than the people below. They look straight ahead. Their faces are serious. They breathe slowly. In, out, in, out. The crowd in the square is now silent. You can only hear the flute and the wind. People hold their hands over their mouths. Mothers watch their children. Grandfathers watch their grandsons. Everyone is one family today. Now it is time for the pomme de dalt. This is the top of the tower. This part is made of children. Why children? Because they are light, they are fast, and they are very, very brave. A young boy, maybe 10 years old, starts to climb. He is wearing a black helmet. He moves fast. He puts his foot on a belt. He grabs a shoulder. He pulls himself up. He is at the 5th level. He is at the 6th level. He is so high now. The boy reaches the top part. He is the acoxador. He crouches down. He makes a flat surface with his back. He is like a small table at the very top of the tower. He is very still. He is waiting for the last person. That person is a little girl. She is the ensaneta. She is only 7 or 8 years old. She is very small. She begins her climb. She moves over the bodies of her friends. She sees the faces of the adults. They look at her with love and trust. She reaches the very top. She climbs onto the back of the boy. She stands up. She is the highest person in the city. She looks at the blue sky. She looks at the mountains in the distance. She raises her hand. She holds up 4 fingers. This is the alita. It means the tower is a success. The square explodes. People scream with joy. They clap. They cry. The music of the flute becomes faster and happier. It is a beautiful moment of victory. But wait, the story is not over. The tower must come down. Coming down is the most dangerous part. The people are tired. Their muscles are jumping. Their legs feel like jelly. But they must stay focused. The little girl slides down quickly. She is like a little monkey. She reaches the base and disappears into the crowd. Then the boy comes down. Then the middle levels begin to unlock their arms. Level by level, the tower becomes shorter. The people in the base feel the weight leaving their shoulders. They can breathe again. Finally, the last person touches the grass. The tower is gone, but the feeling remains. The team members hug each other. They jump up and down. They are tired, but they are very happy. They did it together. In Catalonia, they say, strength, balance, courage, and sense. This is the secret of the Castells. But why do they do this? It is very hard work. It is sometimes scary. The answer is simple: community. Many years ago, in the 1700s, people started this tradition. It began as a small part of a dance in the town of Valls. People liked the towers so much that they made them bigger. They wanted to see how high they could go. Over many years, the towers became a symbol of Catalonia. They show that people can do anything if they work as a team. In a human tower, no one is better than anyone else. The big man at the bottom is just as important as the small girl at the top. If one person fails, everyone fails. If one person wins, everyone wins. Sometimes things go wrong. Sometimes the tower shakes too much. You hear a sound like a crack. The tower starts to bend. The people in the square gasp. "It's falling!" someone shouts. The people fall like a wave of water. It looks scary, but the piña, the base, is there to catch them. The people at the bottom use their bodies like a big pillow. Most of the time, the climbers are okay. They get up, they brush the dirt off their white pants, and they smile. They are not afraid to try again. This is a lesson for life. Sometimes we fall. Sometimes our towers break. But we have our friends and our family to catch us. We get up, we learn, and we build a new tower tomorrow. A few years ago, UNESCO gave the Castells a special title. They said it is a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. This is a big name. It means the human towers are a treasure for the whole world. They show the beauty of human cooperation. Now the festival in the square is changing. The sun is starting to go down. The orange light hits the colorful shirts. The teams are going to eat dinner. They will eat castells, a type of onion, or big plates of meat and bread. They will drink wine and tell stories. They talk about the little girl who reached the top. They talk about the strong men in the base. They laugh about the times they fell. They are proud. They are a team. When you go to Catalonia, you must see a castell. You will feel the silence in the square. You will feel your heart beat faster. You will see a small child touch the sky. You will understand that humans are amazing when they help each other. The little girl from our story is now with her parents. She is eating an ice cream. She looks like a normal child, but today she was a hero. Today she stood on the shoulders of her community and looked at the world from the clouds. The human towers teach us that we are never alone. We are all part of a base. We are all helping someone else climb, and together we can reach the sky. Did you know about this tradition before today? Would you like to be part of the strong base or the brave top? This was today's story on Easy Real English Stories. Subscribe and see you in the next story.